You're not early. You're just not late yet. This is DustDevil.exe, a black box for Degens who are smart to act like one. No setup, no install, just double-click and deploy. This is the tool that hunts Bitcoin wallet dust fast. Number of valid wallet mnemonics to generate. You decide. Mnemonics get forged. Real wallets, real keys. Then the sweep begins. Live valid mnemonic generation. These mnemonics can be put into any wallet. They will work. Live address extraction, a derivation from freshly generated mnemonics. These addresses can be verified by checking up on any BTC Explorer. Each address gets scanned against the mempool to check for any BTC it might have. If BTC found, it gets logged in hits.txt along with its address and mnemonic. You can copy the X to a USB, plug into any laptop, and run it raw. No dependencies, no footprints. Most of these wallets are empty. But you're not here for most. You're here for the edge case. Here it displays 0 balance found, but you can always restart the script. You can run it overnight, set it, forget it. This isn't a lottery, it's a grind. Access saved addresses and mnemonics through files always and never lose them.